In this video, I'll guide you through how to get your Constant Contact API key. Whether you're integrating email marketing features into your application or exploring new functionalities with Constant Contact, having an API key is essential. Let's dive into the straightforward process of obtaining it. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com. This is your starting point for finding the resources you need. Once you're on Google, type Constant Contact API into the search bar and hit enter. This search will direct you to the necessary links and information about the Constant Contact API. You should now see a list of search results. Look for the one that mentions Constant Contact v3 API and click on it. This link will take you to the official Constant Contact API documentation page, where you can access the tools and resources needed to integrate their services. Once you're on the Constant Contact API page, look for the option labeled My Applications and click on it. This section is where you'll manage your applications and obtain your API key. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one, as this process requires you to be logged in. After logging in, you'll find yourself in the Applications Management area. Here, look for a button labeled New Application and click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of obtaining your API key by setting up a new application. Now, you'll need to enter some details about your application. First, enter a name for your application. It could be anything that helps you identify it later, like My Marketing App or Email Integration Tool. Next, locate the section labeled Application OAuth2 Settings. These settings are crucial for defining how your application will interact with Constant Contact's API. Make sure to select the appropriate settings for your needs. Once you've entered all the required information, go ahead and click the Create button. Clicking this will generate your new application, and you should be provided with an API key. This key is what you'll use to authorize your application to interact with Constant Contact's services. Congratulations, you now know how to get your Constant Contact API key. With this key, you can start integrating Constant Contact into your projects, enhancing your marketing capabilities, and exploring the full potential of their platform. Remember to keep your API key secure and never share it publicly to protect your application and data. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides on leveraging technology in your projects. Thanks for watching and happy coding.